Hey guys, this page is built with bubble.io. You can see this is listed on the bubble.io, and I have opened the URL right from here. And I want this to be in Figma. I want to convert this into the Figma design. So I just copy the URL and go to this website and paste it right here. And I will select the full page. And I can also target any specific section, but I will go with the full page. I will use the desktop and convert. So HTML to Figma will convert the live website into the editable Figma layers. This tool is not 100% perfect, but it does most of the job. So if there are not too many animations on the website, and the website has and it is a live website and not password protected, then you can convert the website easily into the editable Figma design. So within few moments, I will be able to copy this right from here and paste it in the Figma. So you can see that it has covered most of the sections. Um, but you can see it is not 100% perfect. Some of the layers are not looking good, but the footer seems very good. And you can see the images are not here. So let me see why the image is not here. I will. You can see. I have. Okay, let me make it 600. Okay, you can see I have tweaked the images. You can the layers are present right here, but the tool is not 100% perfect. We need to tweak it according to our needs. So I hope this will be helpful for you. So you can try this for free without sign up. Thank you.